Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 E-Pace. The Jaguar E-Pace sport utility vehicle offers an athletic-looking exterior and technology that will impress. The E-Pace is a perfect blend of vast luxury in a compact SUV body. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.